All right, so look at this. Hold on, I'll be right back. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna go over. Let me see something. I'm gonna go and over. I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna look at the DXY. See what the DXY is doing. Okay, so on the DXY, so on the DXY, right, the dollar is continuing to drop with momentum at that. This is why I use these Hakanashi candles because it lets me know that the market is moving with momentum. That's number one. And number two, let me see it. So here's a flat top candle. All right, here's a flat top candle. I'm gonna make that black. Actually, no, I'm gonna make this like that. All right, so here's a flat top candle, right? Again, that just means that the market's moving in a momentum, and this is the the dollar index. So this is pretty much going to let you know what the dollar is doing overall, yada yada yada, right? And it like I said, this is not done dropping. I mentioned that this is a double bottom, so this market is going to look to take this low out, which means that the dollar is going to be weak for maybe the next. I will or actually this day chart. I'm tripping. I was on the wrong chart. All right, so it's a pretty much the same concept for the day chart. So anyway, so this is here's a low here, here's a low here, right? These two points right here, right? These two low points are going to look to get taken out eventually. You can see it tap this price line and it start to buy up and different things like that. But we're not really worried too much about buyers right now. We're worried about what is the DXY doing right now, so that way we can get a better idea at what the market's actually going to do. So DXY is losing strength. It is losing strength, right? And we know that the DXY is losing strength because we still have sellers that are evident here, right? It didn't take out this low yet, right? So we had this dollar kind of weak this morning. Right? It was really weak this morning. So I'm gonna go to something like GU. You should see that pulling up, and it was pulling up. If you guys look at this, I marked the top of this right here, or in other words, I should put it here. Because at first my high point was here, so I could see that market went up, it tapped that price line, another candle came open, it went up, it took that out. It took this little high point right here. So I'm gonna drag this here. That would have been like my B supposedly, right? And you can see the market just wicked it, and then it took that out. Limit this. Okay. So money's sitting there. Money is sitting there. So money is sitting up there, right? I literally went over this before. The market is always going to go where the money is at. So if money is sitting up here, the market's going to buy with that, and then it's gonna go back down, right? So those are just key things to remember. Let me see something. I'm actually gonna go to. Actually, no, no, no. All right, so trend line here. Trend line. Okay. So now this actually pretty interesting. I'm change the topic here. Here's my trend line. Right, trend line got broken. Normally, some traders they say, okay, well, if it breaks this trend line, we're gonna, buy. If it breaks it, we're gonna sell. Right. If it goes below, we're gonna sell. If it goes above it, we're gonna buy. Right? So this is a good example of a level line break. This is your level line, and it broke that, so buyers can, right. This is another, I guess, technique you can use with the Akanashi candles, with all of the rules going from your day chart, and then going to your hour chart and looking to see what the market's doing there, whatever like that. This is also a reversal candle, but now it's only a reversal candle because of the fact that one, it did take this out, so it only makes sense, right? It only makes sense, right? So this is just another technique that you can use to identify what the market is going to do next. At the same time, reversal candles. At the same time, it was good, bro. At the same time, you can actually piece everything together like a puzzle in a way, right? So like, I'm gonna put this back up. Show y'all for people just getting on, because some people they be getting on and I don't know who be getting on and just hopping off. But anywho, they gonna miss this. All right. But anywho, all right. So this is hold on. All right, cool. So this is your level line, right? So what this will look like on like a normal chart. I'm gonna just draw this. I'm gonna draw it. So you'll get like that's true. So market. Let's say market was here, right? So here's your trend line, right? So we would draw the trend line like this, and I don't know. Let's just say the market decides to kind of play off of this trend line. You know what I'm saying? It decide to play off of that trend line, and then you finally get a break of that trend line to then go higher up. To then go higher up. So this is what they call a trend line strategy or whatever. But on the way that I look at the market, it's a level line break. So what you see here, right? What you see here is pretty much the same thing over here, right? It just don't. Of course, it's not gonna look slanted because it's easier to do it like this than to do it like this, because some people can't find some good quality points to see where prices actually respecting. But anyway, this is a level line break. This candle, right? This candle bought up, right? It created a new high, whatever in this area, for the B wave, and then it started to try to drop back down, and then you can see that, okay, cool. What you could do is, okay, cool, like HR or whatever the case may be, you're like, okay, cool. I'm going to draw my level line. I got a level line right here, and if it breaks that level line, I'm going to leave a little for positive, right? Because what they do over here is they say, okay, another trend line. I'm gonna do it like this, right? So what they do over here is they're like, okay, cool. Price is respecting this top trend line, and if it breaks it, it's gonna buy up or whatever, yada yada yada. If it breaks below this, it's gonna sell off. Blase blase, right? Simple as that. But a lot of this is like, it's really like confusing to really like understand to some people. So like me personally, I don't trade like that. I might look at the market like that in some way, but I don't even show people like to do that because it just looks crazy. The easiest way, oops, the easiest way, right, is to do it like this, right, off of your candlesticks. Because if you do that, you're gonna like, of course, you're gonna, you know what the reversal candles look like and different things like that. But if you into something, like let's say you into like a buy, let's just say you into a sell, whatever the case may be, you can use this level line break as your pretty much, I guess you want to say your support and resistance. And I'm only using this candle. I'm not looking at none of this over here. I'm only looking at this candle. And then obviously I know this is a reversal candle, right? But some people will look at this like, okay, this is a reversal candle, but is it going to sell off? Well, you don't know if it's going to sell off or not, but you can use the trend, the level line break. So you can use a level line break to the best of your advantage. Put this line, this trend line at the top of your candle, the body of that candle, right? And if price breaks this, you're going to be playing off of this level line. And let's just say you looking at the market, like, okay, it dropped, it's kind of indecisive on this candle. Next candle comes out, right? It started off as maybe like a sell candle or something like that, right? And then it starts to work its way back up. Well, you do have the closing of this candle. So again, you still have this level line. And you're like, okay, market looks like it's about to bob above that. It breaks that, and you get in for the buy, and then bam, all this happens. Right, all this up here happens. And it's crazy because liquidity is sitting right up here. Right, liquidity is sitting right up here. So you really would have known where to target because the market 9 times out of 10 always goes where the money is sitting at. So technically, you would have had this level line break, and then you pretty much could have gotten for the buy, and then the market would do this wicks your take profit, and now you pretty much in and out the market like you good. And this is off of a day candle. And again, like I said, like market is it's like about 60 pips, or actually about like 60 something pips to the something like 68 pips. So from level line up is 68 pips. I mean, that's enough to flip somebody's account. Again, like I was saying, and this is just something to add to your notes. If somebody take notes, something to add to your notes. I'm gonna show you another example too. I'm gonna go to your USD. So on your USD, it was the same exact thing. But I'm gonna go to the 1 hour because I gotta show you something on the 1 hour. All right, cool. So on the 1 hour, you got an order block. Price wasn't going nowhere, so I marked that because price came into here and it hit my target. Right, I sold somewhere up here, came down. My confirmation was a flat top candle, so I sold it. I sold it like I wasn't supposed to sell on this candle, but I did anyway. But I sold it right there, and I caught all that move going down, hit my target. I got the bag or whatever, and then I started to analyze the market to see what it was doing. This is an order block. Reason being is because a lot of people are putting in buy orders and sell orders, and the market don't go nowhere. This is why. This is exactly why right here. So it's kind of like it's not really moving. It's not going nowhere because people keep putting too many orders in. Right, and so what happens is you got this. I'll just use a price point, for example. I'll use the top of this box. I'm gonna make this. I'll make that blue. So the top of this box is blue price point is 0.9800. Right. If price came out of that box, or in other words, broke this price point, you're gonna be looking for buys. The only thing you're looking for is a flat bottom candle. Now you could have actually bought before it came out of this box. Why? Because you got a flat bottom candle right here. You could have bought and you could have caught all that to the upside, to your liquidity capture up here, because liquidity was sitting here. And how you knew liquidity was sitting up there is, again, the first step is to go to your day chart. You would have known liquidity was sitting up here because there's a high point, and again, the market goes where the money's at. So you can see it played off of this. It came off of this black line right here, and then it pulled all the way up. Now I'm gonna show you the level line trick on this. Let me get this trend line. All right, so here's the candle. You probably, let's just say you're not into no trade or nothing like that, and you like, all right, what do I do? So obviously you have all the rules to go by. You know what I'm saying? Go to your 1 day chart. You know what I'm saying? Find your trend on your 1 day chart. Drop down to your 1 hour, see what your 1 hour is doing, and then you can decide if you want to get into a trade or not. Now, if you don't get it off rip or something like that, or you don't know what the market's going to do, you can do the level line break. So this candle right here closed right here. So I'm gonna draw that. So, it closed about right there. There you go. It's kind of crooked, but it'll work. So close right there. It closed this candle my crosses on it closed right there. I'm gonna zoom in too. So this candle closed right here, right? So you're like, all right, if price breaks that level line, you're looking for buys. Price broke that level line, market bought up, took liquidity out. Bam, there goes your bread. And it's still buying them now. The smaller the body of the candle, the more the market is likely to sell off or buy up, or whichever one you're looking at or looking for. So I got hang on, give me 1 second. First. All right, so again, price broke that level line, right? Price broke that level line, and the buyers coming into market, and bam. And this works perfectly. This works perfectly on reversal candles. So, or candles that you feel like are indecisive, I should say. So candles that are like indecisive, like it looks like it's selling off or looks like it's going to buy it. You can use this level line break as a way to actually play off of. You can play off of the candle using this level line break. You can play off the candle and actually get a trade. And if you don't, because obviously whenever you see candles like this, it's like it bought up and it sold off and it started here, and it's kind of everywhere, right? So I'm gonna show you another level line break. Right, I'm gonna actually take off all of my actually no, I'm not gonna rewind. I'm gonna take this line off, and I'm gonna take this line off so that way y'all don't get confused. All right, so watch this. Here's another level line break right here, and this is a reversal candle. So again, I mean, market was gonna reverse anyway, right? Because this candle right here. It looked like it wanted to buy up, so it didn't. It ended up reversing. It's a reversal candle. Now check this out. Let's do this candle next to it. So this candle was a sell candle, right? Watch this. So you place this level line at the top of the body of the candle, and then you look over to the right, and you're like, oh shoot, bet. Like shit, I promise you, literally, this works. This works right here. So here's my level line on top of this seller's candle, right? I'm like, oh man, I don't know what the market gonna do. I'm confused. I don't know what to get in for. right? Level line break on the day chart. I got that level line break on the day chart. I buy, I'm good. Now watch this. If you have a set amount of pips, it shouldn't be too much. Now, if you have a certain amount of pips, you know it's a risk because you know how much you want to aim for. All pretty much in a way you know what's a risk, or you know how much you're going to gain. All that kind of ties into together with one another. So like, I don't know, if you trying to make $15, you pretty much know how much you want to risk based on how many pips you want to get. So from this level line all the way up to the top of that wick, that's 26 pips. Right, that's 26 pips. But for the day, let's say you like, okay, I'm gonna risk 0.10. My goal for the day is like $20. Well, you could have made $20 off of that level line break right there. Simple stuff. I'm trying to find another example. Okay, so here, mind you, I'm placing these level lines at the top of the current candle. So this candle obviously was trying to pull up anyway, and you see a wick and it started. You got a flat bottom candle, so yeah, you got an indication that the market is going to buy up. Here's another way that you know that the market is going to continue to buy up. Level line. So here's my level line. Put at the top of that candle. It broke that level line. I got buyers coming. Simple stuff. So now, from here, from this level line, 50 pips. And it kept going because why? Momentum. You got a flat bottom here, you got a flat bottom here. I got another one here. So it kept going because it was in momentum. At the same time, you could use this level line break to the best of your advantage and say, oh man, let me do that. Now I'm going to also show you how this works on the 1 hour chart also, because it also works on the 1 hour chart. Oh, and by the way, this is how this looks. This is how this looks on like the 1 hour chart. Kind of look. It doesn't look. It looks kind of crazy, but I really don't use it too much on the 1 hour. But you can. You just don't want to play off of that on like you don't want to keep your level lines from your day chart and say, oh, let me go to the 1 hour and try to play off of it. No, it's not going to work. You stick to one time frame whenever you stick to the 1 hour or the day chart whenever you're using these level line breaks for the best how should I say results. And so like check this out. So let's see here. I am trying to find another example. Oh, I found another one. All right, so flat top, flat top, flat top, flat top. Okay, the market's gonna reverse. Right, here's a reversal candle. Right, market bought up. Now, at the seller's candle right here, you could have put a level line. Right, price breaks that level line. Buyers came in. And then when buyers came in, you could have collected 15 pips, 20 pips, right? All just depends on what you want to catch, right? So this is like, well, you could have caught 20 something pips off of that, 30 pips, whatever. I'm trying to find another one. Okay, cool. Look at this. So you got this one seller candle right here. It's indecisive. Got a wick on both ends. You don't know what it's going to do. It is kind of on the smaller body candle end, I guess you want to call it. But you would think the market's going to sell off on here. Me, I'm going to wait till that candle closes to see what the market going to do. Now, I will always have, when this candle closes, I can have my level line. If it breaks that level line, I'm in for the buy. And look what happened. Bam. I got a flat bottom here, I got all of that. All of that happened. From this level line all the way up, it's more than 50 pips. Could have been caught. And again, like these level lines, it's like obviously over here, bought up, drop down, went back to it, bought up again, drop down, went back to it. Kind of did whatever it was gonna do over here, and all that. So you really just want to use it for like one particular candle. Like rather you doing it on the day chart or the 1 hour, you want to do it on one specific candle. You don't want to play off, like I say, you don't want to jump from the day chart and then use your day chart level line on a 1 hour chart. It's not going to work. It's going to be like it's going to be some crazy shit going on, and then you're going to get freaked out. And oh man, the market's reversing. Nah. So I went over reversal candles, right? Level line breaks. Um, uh, I mean, those are really the two things. If you know level line breaks and also reversal candles, you're pretty much good. Like you pretty much. I'm not gonna lie. Like the market will you can really take advantage of the market. Like the market will be like your hoe in a way, for real. Like if you let's take a look at gold, because I know gold was doing pretty good. Where's that? I just seen it somewhere. There you go. All right, so let me go to the day chart. This from the day chart. A person would not be like, and this is also good for a person that doesn't know how to spot a trend. That'll also work. Like a person that doesn't know how to spot a trend, like that'll be like this level line break thing going on. Like that'll be a really good way for you to actually take advantage. So take a look, right? Take a look at so you got a flat top candle right here. Obviously you can take advantage of that. Now you would have been in profit. What is this from here to? You would have been in profit quite a bit. So I mean, even if you played off of this one candle, somebody could have collected something off of that. But this candle right here, I'll show you. Top of this candle, top of that, close. Level line break. So it broke the level line, and I got a flat bottom. That's like a guaranteed buy market for like the day on gold. Let me know if this seemed like real easy to do like that, like to y'all, like, because it really don't get no easier than that. Like marking your top of your candle. I mean, and you can also do the bottom of a candle too. I'm gonna show you how to do the bottom. I'm showing you how to do the bottom. But y'all let me know in the comments if what I just showed look real easy as hell. Let me know in the comments if that look real easy. Only one person? I guess only one person gonna make money then, huh? Let me see something. Anyway, I need more engagement in this chat. All right, let me get another level line. Actually, you know what? No, I ain't gonna get another line. So in other words, like, do you think you can pretty much mark a top of a candle? Does that seem easy? Let me know. Let me know if that looks easy. Well, I'm about to show you another one. I'm gonna show you like I'm gonna show y'all on what's the other one? I'm gonna do US 30. So I think I marked. Yeah, I have marked this. All right, so on US 30, right? I'm actually gonna delete. All right, so on US 30, well, obviously you can see sellers coming in or whatever, but you got a flat top candle right here, right? So a person would have said, okay, I got my confirmation, I'm in for the sell, right? If the market starts to retrace or something like that, and you get a reversal candle, that's how you know to take your profits or to get out of the trade altogether, secure funds, whatever you're gonna do, right? Now, from this point on, right? From this point on, this one right, this candle right here isn't a it's not a flat top candle, right? It's not a flat top candle, but you can use a level line, right? You can use a level line here. Oh, excuse me. You can use a level line here and say, all right, if it breaks below this level line, then I'm still in the settle. Now, I think this first candle right here. I mean, that's 144 pips. That's more than pips to catch. But so you can mark the bottom of this and say, all right, if price breaks the bottom of this level line, then you can stay into that trade or whatever. Now, again, this is a flat top candle, so you could have sold it, right? This candle it has a wick at the end, so it's like, all right, I'm not interested in that. This candle right here is a reversal candle, right? So it's like, okay, it could potentially buy up. Now, here's how that works. You get a level line again at the top, and you discipline yourself. You say, okay, cool. Price is staying in between this, in between here, right? In between this, right? Price is staying in between here. Now, of course, you want to look for a body to actually break this, to confirm your analysis. So you got the flat top candle, you selling it, you in there, right? All right, how do I know to hold this to make more bread, right? How do I know to hold this to make more bread? It's traded between here, so I will be watching to see what the market does in between these level lines, and I'm like, okay, cool. Now you see the body, none of these candles, none of the bodies of these candles came above this level line at the top. None of these bodies came up above this level line, so therefore you're not worried about nothing. You're not concerned, none of that, right? Man, some guy was calling. Anyway, all right. So yeah. So price. None of the bodies that you can't above this level line. Okay, cool. Price did break this level line below. A body did, right? And then what happened? You got a flat top candle, and then you still in there. still in there. So it's really not too complicated about that. I'm gonna do another one. All right. So, and mind you, if you use 2 and 2 hand in hand, that'll really work out in your favor. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. So again, so I'm gonna find me a reversal candle, and then I'm gonna use a level line. So watch this. Okay, cool. So I got a flat top candle. That's my confirmation for the sell, right? I get a reversal candle, or not a reversal candle. Actually, I'll take that back. I got a reversal candle right here. I don't have a flat top candle right here, but what can I use? I got my reversal candle here for the sell. I'm waiting to see what the market gonna do. I'm gonna put my level line at the top. Body of the candle came below that level line. I'm selling it. And I got a flat top candle here. Flat top, flat top, flat top, flat top. All those are flat tops, so I'm in there. Why? Because price stayed above below my level line, or above my level line. At the same time, I seen a reversal candle. So here was your reversal candle was here where my vertical line is at. Reversal candle was there. I put a level line at the top of that reversal candle. I said if price stays below that level line, or if a body of that candle breaks that level line, that I'm gonna be looking for sellers to be in the market. And then I got that flat top. I just got a lot of momentum going on. And this is on US 30. All of this somebody could have caught. Like over 2,000 pips somebody could have caught off of that. So really, like, when it comes down to the market, it's all about being aware of what the market's gonna do. And you using everything to the best of your ability. Like I said, level line breaks, right? Reversal candles, right? Knowing the trend, like all those things you can use hand in hand, and then it'll work out in your favor. And then you like, okay, cool, like bet. Like literally, let me see, cause I actually was in gold. I took gold for myself because I seen this reversal candle. I already seen, actually, on my phone, cause not on here, but on my phone I marked it up. Right, it was just like this. Level line break. I got a reversal candle right here. Right, I got a level line break, and or you could have did like this. You could have said, okay, cool. Here's an indication that the market's trying to pull up. This wick this candle technically is above this candle right here. Next candle came open, right? It was a reversal candle. So here's my reversal candle. Mark the top of my reversal candle. It broke that. Buyers. And I'm in there and I made bread. And it's still going. But now, of course, by that time, because this is a day candle, he probably would have secured profits. It's literally just that easy. Like literally just that easy. And I'm gonna pull this down. I'm gonna show you something crazy too. Right here. These are 2 reversal candles, side by side. If I'm looking at this candle right here, right? If I'm looking at this candle right here, let me zoom in. If I'm looking at this candle right here, and I'm like, ooh, the market looks like it's gonna reverse. It looks like it's gonna just go crazy and sell out. Mark the top of the candle, go like this. Market did try to pull up. Right, market tried to pull up because we can see this wick above it. But it went above it, right? So technically, you could have bought on this wick or whatever, took profits, and then it broke below this level line, right? It broke below this level line, and you could have sold it. And I want somebody to try this too, because I'm telling y'all, like, this is crazy stuff. It really works. And this is like technically like an area where you really don't want to trade in, but if you know how to get down with the market, it's like okay, cool. Now in here, something like this is a definite reversal candle right here. Definite reversal candle. And you got buyers coming in, and you could have got like 100 pips or something like that off of that. And it was more than 100, way more than 100, but you could have got something off of that. All right, let's do. Well, let's try USD CAD. Let's try USD CAD. All right, USD CAD. All right. Do it this. Level line. And this is on the day chart, so I'm just gonna make it real simple. Let's just say this candle right here. Let's just say this candle right here was today, right? And I got like an hour left in this candle. I'm gonna mark the top of the candle, right? And I'm like, all right, cool. And I'm gonna say, all right, cool. I'm really waiting to see if it's gonna continue to sell off or if it's gonna buy up. Now, if you look at this candle, this is a reversal candle, and also this is a reversal candle. So sellers are weak in this area. So that tells you that's one thing. So I'm like, all right, sellers are kind of getting exhausted on this candle. So I should be looking for the market to start to buy up a little bit. You get this reversal candle, it breaks the level line, and you get a flat bottom candle. And buyers came in. So all in all, you're good. And so drop some, drop like currency pairs or indices you want me to look at. I'll look at it. I'll show y'all some more examples how you do that. Because those level lines will really help you identify real reversals in the market with the hand using the obviously reversal candles and stuff. Let's see, this is a flat bottom candle. So like, if I'm gonna show you how this works. I'm gonna use a 5-minute candle because it's only a 5-minute candle. For an example, this candle right here, flat bottom candle. It broke up above this. It broke up above this candle, and it's a flat bottom, which lets you know momentum. Now I'm gonna mark the top of this candle, wherever this candle decides to close at. I'll mark the top of it. 7 seconds left. It's pulling down, right? It's pulling down. I'm gonna keep dragging it down. Sellers starting to come in. I got a flat top candle, right? Now, here's where this actually it gets pretty interesting. On this candle, if it breaks that, sellers are evident. Which it looks like it's already starting to break that level line, which is the bottom of that previous candle. Watch this. And again, you got a flat top, right? I marked the top of this. I marked the top of this candle like as it was kind of closing off or ending. coming to an end, I marked the top of that candle just in case, because in a way, these in between these lines are like it's kind of like my little zone area, right? I want to see which one of these areas it'll break first. So I got a confirmation for sellers, which is my flat top candle, and it broke that level line, meaning that this market is probably, or in this at least for now, is going to drop on this 5-minute chart. It'll end up dropping. At the same time, my confirmation to get in was a flat top, so I'm in there. It broke my level line, so I know that prices is going to potentially continue to drop. Now, of course, you don't want to use this to actually trade traditional foreign exchange. This is a hack. This is a hack you can use for binary. So like your pocket option or like your IQ cent, all that. Oh, you can use this for that. You can definitely use this for that. And if somebody uses this for that, I promise you, y'all gonna be like, yo, this is crazy. I told you so. But look, market's dropping. Look at this. I can't make this up. It works. Imagine, I mean, I'm not telling somebody to go like where it's like $50 or something, but like on, like I use pocket option. Well, I don't use pocket option anymore. I barely trade on pocket option, but like if you was to use this method on, pocket option, okay, you level line break and your flat top candle confirmation, you would have cleared that trade in a minute. In a minute, you would have cleared that trade. That's a clear. You made maybe 80% off of that $50 that's your risk, or something like that. However you want to say it. Now on traditional, right, like MT4, you would have been in profit on this, and now you just kind of like look and see what the market is telling you, because the market really, to me, it's really like a book. It's just you just reading it. That's all you're doing. You're just reading it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just reading the market like it's like Dr. Seuss or something. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's super easy. Kids can do it. So I see this market is pulling up. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do the same thing for this candle that's here. So, actually, let me delete this. So I'm gonna pull this down, right? Because we're not worried about the previous candle anymore, because this is the current candle. We want to catch the next candle, right? So we're not worried about this candle anymore. Just this one. So let's pull this over. And mind you, in reality, we would be in this trade. In reality, we would be in this trade for ourselves. All right, that's good. That's good. So I got like mid left in that candle. All right, I got a mid left in that candle. It's still, mind you, this is a flat top momentum. Right, market's gonna pull itself down, but I want to see where it's gonna go. So that's the bottom of my candle right there. If it breaks that, it's gonna keep going. So I got 12 seconds left. 8, 5, 4, 3. Bam. Broke that level line. Still dropping. And I got another flat top candle, which is right here, momentum. So I'm still in the trade. Bro, y'all gotta let me know if it's a fire. Like, if y'all look, I can't, man. Yo, I'm telling you, this works. Like, I'm telling you, this works. Like, y'all let me know if this is lit. Like, literally, like, if y'all can really go back on the market and then use this, like, along with your other, confirmation, right? Flat top, flat bottom. Obviously go to your day chart. Go into your 1 hour chart, see what the market's doing. If you could do that with this, I promise you, y'all gonna have the edge, and y'all gonna be trading like some masters. I gotta be like, yo, this is easy. Look how far down. So from entry, because my confirmation to get in was a flat top. That was the first confirmation I got for this. So all I'm using after that is level line break. So it keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. All right, there goes 10 pips. There goes 10 pips. That's $100 for somebody. Now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this exact same thing when this candle closes out. I'm gonna take this, I'm move it here, and then wherever this candle was getting ready to close, I'm gonna take this level line. I'm gonna carry it underneath that. You know, the market breaks that price or that level line, and I'm still in. I'm still in for the sale. I got like 2 minutes left in this. And this is actually something I might drop in my Telegram chat too, because like I said, it works for tradition. It works for pocket options too, like heavily. I personally could really flip an account using this for pocket options, as long as they're using whatever kind of candle it is to the best of their ability. So I got a minute and 42 seconds or 40 seconds left in this candle. And I'm gonna like mark this too. Like, mind you, this is an example. So put that. So the blue line was our entry point, per se, right? Let's just say that, because it was a flat top, right? Now we playing off the level lines. After that, we like, all right, let's see what it does. So I'm getting ready to move this to the bottom of that candle to see where it ends. And then that'll be it, really. So I got 50 seconds left in that candle. Now, if price doesn't break it, I mean, we're just gonna do the opposite. What it's telling us to do. So we got 38 seconds left in that candle. I'm gonna get ready to move this down. I'm gonna just move like here to see if it like kind of touches that. Almost 10 seconds left in that candle. All right, so that's good enough. All right, so it looks like it's gonna. All right, so we put that level line there. Price didn't put that level line. Oops, a little bit. All right, there you go. Price did break that level line. So sellers are still there at the same time. We still got another flat top candle, so we're good. Now, at this point, I'm pretty sure somebody would have secured profits, because, again, it doesn't take a lot, right? That was what, from here all the way down. Again, like I said, that's 10 pips. So somebody could have even set a target and said, or not a target, but somebody could have secured that 10 pips or something like that. Now, again, I did say, if the body of the candle breaks that level line, that you were going to get some more sellers coming in and going to the downside. And it's crazy because we still have a flat top candle. So that's literally telling you the story. Like that literally will tell you like, okay, market is still potentially going to drop, like regardless. And look what it's doing. Price broke the level line again. Now imagine doing this on like a 1 hour. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Let's see what it's doing in the 1 hour chart. All right. So your level line would be, because this was the previous candle, because this candle just opened like a couple minutes ago. So let me put that there. So your level line for this would have been, hey, all right, so your level line would have been right there, right? This is the 1 hour chart. I'm gonna do it on I'm gonna do it on the 1 hour too. Right? I'm gonna do it on the 1 hour too because it really works. So I put my level line at the bottom of that candle. I'm like, okay, if price breaks that, I'm looking for sellers. Look, it's selling off. Easy. Easy money. Literally easy. Easy money, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. Like, now, normally when you get a candle like this, right? Because this previous candle was letting you know the market was going to reverse right here, this one. So you're like, all right, bet that. So, I mean, shoot. Next candle could potentially be a flat top candle. If it's a flat top candle, you just stay in there. You know to stay in because it's a flat top. It already broke the level line. Already off of that 1 hour candle. From the other one. Again, like I said, it's like, well, actually, really from the start of this candle, it was like about 10, 11 pips, something like that. But I'm gonna do this with, I'm gonna do this with y'all like one time live, like maybe like maybe on tomorrow's live stream or something. I might do like live and show y'all like a live like trade or something, show y'all how that works. In fact, I think I'm gonna do some pocket option tomorrow, but not like obviously not like a live account. I'm gonna use a demo account, and I'm actually gonna show y'all how easy that it actually works with that. I think that's what I'll do. But as you can see, for traditional foreign exchange, it really works, especially if you use it with the trend and all your other confirmations. But I'm gonna get off here, y'all. Give me something.